Hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome to another vlog on my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna ride this, the Hero Pleasure Plus Platinum Edition. Let's get started. Before starting the video, I would like to give a special thanks to Sai Balaji Hero Showroom, which is located at Anna Salai, Chennai, and also to Prem, who is the manager of the showroom, for their love and support. If you are from Chennai and if you are planning to buy a Hero motorcycle or a Hero scooter, you can feel free to contact them. I have dropped the details in the description below. So let's get back to the video. Hero has named the scooter as the Platinum Edition because they have given chrome finishing to the scooter and it is visible from every possible angles. Like you can see the chrome finishing on the front headlamps, and you can see the chrome finishing on the front fenders. The Hero logo, it's chrome finished, and it is 3D logo. The front stripe, it is also chrome finished, and the mirrors, they are also chrome. Bar ends, chrome finished. They have given a chrome finishing to the side panels of the scooter, and you can find the Pleasure Plus badge, which is a 3D logo here, and it is mentioned as Platinum Edition. And you can find the chrome finished muffler on the exhaust that adds a premium look to the scooter. And here you can find the backrest, that is also chrome finished, and it provides better comfort for the pillion. Here we find the side footrest, and the normal footrest is here. Okay, it's quite hard, and the quality is quite good. So these are the chrome finished things which you can spot on the scooter, and it really gives a premium look. Hero has thoroughly worked on the design part of the scooter, and the design looks really promising. It looks premium, it looks beautiful from every possible angles. And also you can find the brown finishing which they have given to the seat as well as to the inner pads. That looks really good. The cushioning which they have given on the seat is really spongy and fluffy, and I didn't feel any pain on my butt while riding the scooter. So I would like to give a big thumbs up to the seat. Let's quickly open up the seat and see what they have given there. Here they have given the fuel cap, and we have the boot space here. We have the tools kit, and the first aid kit is given here. Rather than giving the fuel cap inside the seat, they could have given it somewhere outside, somewhere here, so that we don't want to open the seat every time when we want to refuel the scooter. Hope they will change it on the next update. And here we have the USB charging port that is given here. Nowadays it is turning out to be a common features on all the scooters. So here we can insert the USB cable and you can charge your phone. And also you can find a hook here where you can keep all your stuffs, like if you want to hang your bag or a cover, you can keep it here. So Hero has given an MRF tubeless 90/100 section tires both in front and in rear. So this scooter doesn't get any LED treatment. The front headlamp is an halogen unit, and nothing much to complain about the light throw. It is quite good. The front and the rear indicators are also bulbs, and the rear tail light is also an halogen bulb unit. The space which they are given on the front side of the scooter is quite adequate to keep your day-to-day stuffs. Let us quickly turn on the scooter. So as soon as you turn on the scooter, you can find the side stand indicator and the service warning. The indicator symbol is glowing, and the low fuel indication is here. The high beam indication is here. The fuel gauge is mentioned here, and the overall speedometer is shown here. This is the overall kilometers which the scooter is ridden. That's around 63 kilometers. It's a brand new scooter. Here is the high beam, low beam switch, and the indicator switch, the horn, and here we go, the ignition switch. So as you can see, it vibrates a bit, and you can feel the vibration when the scooter is idle, but when you get onto the scooter, you don't feel any kind of vibrations. So the overall design looks simple and neat. A beautiful looking scooter which is available at this price range. Let's get onto the scooter and we'll ride it. So this scooter is powered by an 110cc air-cooled 4-stroke single-cylinder engine, and the max power is 8.1 PS and the max torque is 8.7 Newton meters. The power and torque figures remains the same as that of the BS4 model, but the engine is BS6 compliance. Hero says that this scooter is powered by Xsense technology, and it has a lot of preloaded inbuilt sensors. The common problem which we face on most of the scooters is that they won't start when the temperature is down or on cold weather conditions. So Hero says that they have given a dedicated engine oil temperature sensor so as to rectify this problem. And again, for better fuel economy, they have given a dedicated oxygen sensor on the scooter so as to improve the overall fuel efficiency, and I think it works pretty much good. The tank capacity of the scooter is 4.8 liters, which is not the best in the segment, but it is quite manageable considering the mileage to be somewhere between 40 to 50 inside city. The overall ride range would be around 200 to 230 kilometers on the scooter. The mirror visibility of the scooter is quite okay. I am able to see the vehicles which is right behind me. Since this is a brand new scooter, I don't want to push it to its limits, so I am staying on the economy speeds. 0 to 60, it is very smooth and easy on the scooter. No sort of stress is felt on the engine. I hope the top speed would be around 90 kilometers on the scooter, but I haven't tried it. This scooter has 155 mm of ground clearance, and you don't feel any difficulties while taking the scooter onto a bump or to a pothole. Let me show it here. So it's very easy to take it to the speed breakers. This scooter weighs 104 kgs, which is almost 7 kgs higher than that of the Zest 110. The bite on the brakes are not that good, but it is quite okay for an 110cc scooter. So this BS6 variant of the Hero Pleasure Plus Platinum Edition is priced at Rs 80,000 at Chennai. Let's come to the final verdict of this video. Is this the best 110cc scooter which you should buy right now in India? I would say yes. It's a tough choice to choose between the Zest 110 and the Hero Pleasure Plus Platinum Edition. But believe me guys, this has the better looks than that of the Zest 110, and it has the better comfort too, because the seat cushioning which they have given on the Pleasure Plus is much more comfortable than the Scooty Zest 110. And this scooter produces better power than the Scooty Zest 110 because it produces 8.1 PS, whereas the Zest 110 produces 7.8 PS. It's not a major difference in terms of power, but still I would recommend you guys to go for this Pleasure Plus Platinum Edition. This scooter comes with different color options, but my personal pick would be the Platinum Edition because of the premiumness which it gives. Though it is 3,000 or 4,000 higher than that of the normal variants, still I would recommend you guys to go for the Platinum Edition. So guys, hope you have found this video useful, and if you have any queries regarding this scooter, feel free to ask in the comment section below. And also, if you like this video, please like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to wear helmet. Ride safe. Take care. Bye bye.